Do you have clogged drains, slow-moving water, strange odors? If you're in Syracuse, you don't have to deal with these problems alone. At Superior Drain Solutions, we specialize in fast, reliable, and professional drain cleaning services to help you keep your home and business running smoothly. We use state-of-the-art technology, including hydrojetting and advanced camera inspections to diagnose and clear even the toughest blockages. And we believe in honest pricing and a transparent customer service, so you'll always know exactly what's happening with your drains. We provide residential and commercial drain cleaning, hydrojetting, camera inspections, and emergency services. Whether it's your home or your business, we handle it all. Don't wait for a major backup. Call Syracuse's most trusted drain cleaning experts today. Superior Drain Solutions, where honest pricing meets expert service.